What's going on, everyone? It is Phantom Vista here. In this video, we're going to be going over the 7 Warrior gaming table that I bought for the ABS Gladiator PC, which you can see in the description above. And this table has almost a 5-star review. I mean, it is ergonomic, it is sturdy and steady. This thing is user-friendly. I mean, it has so many purposes. This thing has a fast and easy install, easy cleaning. We're going to go over some of these pictures of other people's setup. You can see it is well organized, looks amazing. We have dual monitors set up. I'm using it as one monitor in the microphone setup. It has a carbon fiber surface, so you don't even need a gaming mouse pad, which I have. You can just use the mouse pad that's on it. It has so many extras. I mean, this thing is a beauty. It has great reviews. Look at these 5-star reviews right here. All these impressive setups. You can go through the just review after review. Great stuff. I mean, this stuff is whoa, what the heck? Honestly, I don't even know how this guy did this to his table. He must have sat on it or jumped on it. But we're going to go over to Home Depot, get some support brackets. I'm going to show you in this video how to install this stuff real quick. Washers, 1/2-inch screws, some black spray paint to get the stickers off. The hair dryer, use a blade. Little life hack right here. It makes the adhesive melt and you can easily get this stuff off. We're going to spray this thing with the black spray paint. Make sure you're outside. You want to match the color of the desk. The desk is black. That's why I use black spray paint. You do both sides. We wound up not even using these long metal brackets, but just the 2 V brackets were enough. So later on in the video, you'll actually see what I did with that. We sprayed the washers. We let it sit for a few hours, let it dry, and then we were ready to rock. It's time to build. So taking this stuff out was pretty quick. We got DJ Sloth in the back. My wife helped out. This thing is really good if you have somebody helping you. So I recommend having somebody help you. Get all the equipment out. It's assembly time. We got everything out. We got the directions. And honestly, it wasn't really that hard. It was just that we took our time with it. We made sure we follow every single step. Stuff was pretty straightforward. But I highly recommend using the direction just in case you put the legs on backwards or something like that. But like I said, using 2 people, this thing was quick. It went by so fast. It took about like an hour and a half. We was being very thorough, and I wanted to set up the camera, stopping at certain points to get equipment, tools that I wanted to use. So it was just on me. It just honestly could have took about an hour. So right here we start installing the V brackets, and honestly I don't think I needed these, but this just gave me a little extra comfort. This table is really sturdy. Think about it, DJ Sloth. And we flip the table around, and then we put the extras on, like the headphone holder and then the cup holder that you can see on the left and right side of the table. Started assembling the mounting bracket for the dual monitors. I only wound up using one, as you'll see in my setup. The other bracket was used for my HyperX microphone, which you can see in the description. I have an Alienware 27-inch monitor, and it is 240 hertz. Alrighty, so the table is done. Absolutely loving this table. My chair used to hit the top of my old table, but now I can fully go under. It is enough height. I mean, this table is huge. I have my mouse, my keyboard, my computer. I had this little rack that it came with to put anything you want. I'm guessing this is for like DVDs or games or whatnot. But like you can see, I'm using the Razer mouse pad, and the thing is already huge, and I still have room. So I have room for all of this stuff. My keyboard, my mouse, my computer. I mean, the dual setup. Like I said, I'm using my HyperX microphone, and it just, everything just flows so well. We have my computer right here. It's going to go somewhere else. And then we'll put the actual ABS computer right there, and I'll show you guys the last setup. My cable management is able to be really clean with the attachments they give you. No wires underneath. And we have the brackets right here that are installed. You see it goes right down the middle. If you don't remember, we painted this black so it can match the back of the gaming desk. So these brackets are already super sturdy. Like I said before, you really didn't need it, but this gave me a little bit extra comfort. That cable right there that's hanging, we can adjust that. That's just to the PlayStation. So for right now, because we have the PlayStation in here, you're gonna have a wire showing. But once we get the computer in here, this thing's gonna look super clean. And make sure you click that link above, because it shows you the entire setup. I'm in PC review where we unbox the entire thing, and then I'll show you guys how it looks when we start it up. I'm loving this desk. If you guys have the money this Christmas season, this thing is only what, $100, $120 I think, but it'll be probably one of the best things you invested in. besides the actual computer. But if you need your own little office space, I highly recommend this thing because, like I said, a lot of room. I bought the 55-inch one. It comes in 60, and I'm just enjoying this table. Lots of room to practice my aim, and it's times that my wife can actually come in here with me. Since it's so much space, we can actually have two people in here on a table doing separate things at the same time. It's just awesome table. I really enjoy this. I can't recommend it enough. Alright, with that, I'm going to wrap up my talking. In the next part of this video, the rest of it will be just a cinematic view of the entire desk. Hope you guys like. Make sure you subscribe. All that great stuff. And I'll see you in the next one. Enjoy the overall view with the computer in the office. Fancy Vista out. Peace.